Wondering how to make your Duolingo account public? I'm Simran from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to set your Duolingo account to public. Let's get started. First, open the web version of Duolingo on your device. Now, set the web version of Duolingo into desktop side. To do this, tap on the vertical ellipsis icon at the top right corner. Here, you will see an option Desktop Site. Tap on it. Tap on the More Options icon at the left sidebar. Tap on the Settings option. Within Settings, look for the Privacy settings in the right sidebar and tap on it. Here, you will see an option Make My Profile Public. Currently, it is turned off. To make your Duolingo account public, tap on the corresponding toggle icon. Finally, tap on the Save Changes button to save your changes. And that's it. You have successfully made your Duolingo account public. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.